Hello, in this video I would like to show you how to upgrade from the original LED to our UB35 series. The reason I create this video because some of those LED strips with the original one, it might go back, or some of the LED driver might go back. I'm going to show you a little bit later. So anyway, let's take a look at the screen. This kit comes with one LED strips, one drivers, one wire adapter. Basically, wire adapter is one end connect to this end, the other end just using your existing LED wire harness connect to it. So let me show you the screen part number here. The screen part number actually is made by, it's really nice 8.4-inch screen made by a NEC. The number is NL8060BC21-11F. NL8060BC21-11F. This is quite nice. It's using the LVDS interface. Here's the LED. The LED using the original LED. Okay, so it does not have, this particular model does not have a built-in LED driver, so you had to use in the external drivers. So in terms of a let me show you how to take it out. Take it out is really simple. If you can see carefully, just click, you see, you push it down, do like this. So there's a clip, right? You push it down, the latch. Here we go. Okay, take it out. So let's take a look at this reflector. See, this is the original LED reflector from NEC. Obviously, the part number is 84LHS17. Because this one's quite small, so that's why we couldn't use our L-shaped reflector to just stick it in, because they're so a little bit compact. So the way we get around, so we use a 35 stick in. I'm going to show later on. So this is the LED strip. If some of the LED is no good, it's really difficult to find a replacement. So then you can use this one. All right. And also, if the driver has problem, let me show you some driver. This is the original driver for NEC for this screen. Okay. So this end is the input voltage. This is the output. So input is the 8-pin molex. So like this drivers already have 8-pin. So basically, just connect an existing wire harness to it and stick it in. Simple. It's just be carefully stick it in. All right. Let me see. I have to look really careful. Okay. That's it. Stick it in. This end connect to either side. This is connect, like I said, this is the original driver for NEC, this screen. So I mean the same connector, you just connect from old driver, connect to here. Perfect. Or if your LED strips, original LED strips good, then you need a driver. We also have an original one available, and we also have this one. We already modified. See, we already have, we give you one wire adapters, or you can just use a it depends on screen, 6-pin, or you can just use this wire adapters. Basically, this end can connect to this end. Okay, it's quite simple and easy. And so if you couldn't find the original replacement part, or your LED strip has problems, then this is the way to go. Thank you for watching.